Okie doke. The mail carrier just left, and it's only 25 degrees out, so I gotta get this. 2 plants. Okay, come here, buddy. Where'd you get that screwdriver? Hey y'all, it's Kate with Follow My Leaf. I'm a plant mom and a boy mom, parenting both full time. And as you can probably tell from the title of this video, I broke my plant ban. So I'm gonna open it up now and explain why I did that. This is from Gabriella Plants, Florida, I believe. Hi, bud. There's Anthony helping. I have my trusty knife Ryan forged for me. It's like supposed to be a letter opener, and it's a pretty nice shank actually if I wanted to cause some damage to an intruder or something. Gabriella Plant, smile, your plant has arrived from our greenhouse to your house. Now, I was worried about this plant because it's 25 degrees outside. Coldest day of the week, last night and today. So it was in the truck all day until just now. Plant number 1. Plant number 2. Yeah, you can play with that. I'm gonna plug in my headset. Sorry, hold on. Okay, hopefully you can hear me a little better now. So I'm being really naughty today. In addition to breaking my plant ban, I really need to go to the doctor. I'm going to the doctor right after this because I think I have a kidney infection. I thought it was like my back hurting, you know, because I carry him around all the day and he's heavy. But now I don't think it's that. I think it's a kidney infection. Yay! And last time I had one of those, I had to go to the ER because they don't have what you need at the doctor's office. So I wanted to get this out of there. And honestly, my back's been hurting for like 3 months. So if that's what it was this whole time, another hour isn't gonna make a difference. Okay, here we go. So yeah, cold outside, worried about this plant, but this plant's also really hardy, so I'm not too concerned. Okay. All right. This is Anthurium podophyllum, footleaf anthurium. And hold on, I hear my son making crazy noises. What is he doing? This is a new one for me. Okay, footleaf anthurium, Anthurium podophyllum. And look at this cute baby leaf, the newest one that's coming. This is really cool. So the reason I really like this plant is I saw it when I was touring the Des Moines Botanical Center, and they have a massive, mature version of this, a specimen. So it's incredible. I'll put it up on the screen right now. It's lacy and huge and like leathery. And so these leaves will continue to like, not fenestrate, but get bigger and bigger and bigger. and more lobes, I guess. And pretty soon it just becomes this like massive leaf with a million. Uh-oh. Honey, don't mess with the lights, please. I know it's a switch, but you can't have that switch, okay? Okay. You gonna say hi to the people? Do? Oh, hi. Hi, people. Ooh, new plants, Mom. Yeah, so this is a cool anthurium. And the much more accessible version of it is kind of becoming more popular right now. Excuse you. This is the anthurium pediculatum fingers. This is the newest leaf. Right there. And these are pretty cool too. So honestly, this looks more like what the mature version of the podophyllum will look like eventually. But these are both, I think, really hardy anthurium. So worth breaking my plant ban because Snapchat had a lawsuit and, you know, one of those class actions, and I got $17 from them, like deposited them into my PayPal, and I was like, okay. And this was on sale at Gabriella for like $35. So I couldn't pass it up. I've been wanting this. It's harder to find. You can't find it locally. So I'm glad it made it in the cold. And now we get to open another one. You gonna help? I'm sorry if he annoys you. This is just where I'm at right now. Okay. Good boy. I'm going really slow so I don't hurt any fingies. Okay. Can you say mama? We're working on it. We're working on it. Okay. This one is not a huge deal, but ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. Go play with that box. Here, you wanna play with this? Packaging. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna cut out some of that, but not all of it. Cool. Philodendron Campo. I just call it Campo, but it has a name. Camposportoenum. Okay. Get some of the fuzzy off. This is really cool because the picture listed had like 2 leaves. You know how it goes. They list it and then it sits for sale forever and it grows a bunch more while it's sitting. Look at that new leaf coming. Sir, can you shush? Thank you. So this is pretty similar to a Moines and maybe like a Melanochrysum, but more rounded leaves. And I really like the rounded leaves. And eventually these will, I think, lobe off more and kind of get like Mickey Mouse ears. So that's going to be fun. All right. So those are my plants, new plants. I'm back on a plant ban, okay, because I don't need anything and I don't foresee winning any more internet money settlements for a while. thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, please. We love thumbs up. We love our subscribers, and we love you if you are a new subscriber too. So, we'll see you next time. Happy planting. What's this guy? Look at how many different sections each leaf has. I don't see a tag unless it's anthurium podophyllum. Footleaf anthurium. Okay, that could be it. Anthurium podophyllum. Does that make sense? Is that what we're looking at? Tell me in the comments. Help me out.